I'm showing you the visible range of the volume profile. So the profile that you're seeing is the profile over this entire price action here. That's important. I want to get all the historical price action in play here. And then what I do is I mark it up where the inflection points are, or the edges between lots of volume and very little volume. So let's just make it a little bit brighter so it's a little easier to see. And you'll see that I've marked up the deep crevices and the edges of the nodes. All of those are going to be significant levels. Why? Because they're there. They were created based on the market makers, the dealers, the institutions, and where they felt there was value and where there wasn't. Where there's a node is where they felt there was value. Where there isn't a node is where they decided that there wasn't any value. And sometimes where there isn't a node can be very specific. As you can see, there are these deep crevices that go to a very specific level. And you'll find that as price is moving along it, it is bouncing off those levels. And you can see it very clearly here. The blue lines are showing the marcation of each individual day, and it's breaking out the session into the morning, afternoon, and closing session. So we do that very purposefully so that when we're zoomed in, we can see exactly where things are. So I'm going to just resize it and everything. I'm going to get rid of the volume profile now that I've already marked it up. And now I can see our trading day. And so what I'm looking for in a trending market is I'm looking for a pullback into structure and then a continuation of the trend. Now today it looks like something happened, probably something to do with the Iran war that has caused the market to move down. But it is most likely to move down to a structural level, which is right in here. Now, it's not always going to be perfect, but it's going to be pretty darn close. We're looking for an opportunity in this morning period for a structural event. Structural event is where we come down to a structural level. Now, this one might be misplaced a little bit. It's probably around here somewhere. As you can see, it happened over here, too, yesterday. We're waiting for a structural event to put on our trade. Now, we're putting on a call fly that's out of the money with a certain width and a certain risk to reward. That means that when price comes down here and shows that it is using this level as a support area, then we'll put on a butterfly. And our butterfly will go up here somewhere with the proper risk to reward characteristics. And then that will be our play. So what we know before the market even starts is where we're going to take the trade, what kind of trade it's going to be, how wide it's going to be, and what direction it's going to be in.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.